Today we're going to go over my Harbor Freight parking lot sale for January tool haul, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it is parking lot sale time again at Harbor Freight. This one is for January 2026, and I'm going to show you what I picked up today. If you're an ITC member, this is January 12th, and it starts for you guys. Everybody else will start on Thursday. And if you guys got anything left after us ITC members pick it all over, good luck to y'all and getting the stuff you want. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I picked up. Okay, I'm going to start off with the smallest stuff and then work my way up to the biggest stuff I got here. So first off here, we got some Hardy Nitro gloves. These are the 5mm ones. Normally on this here, they are $11.99. I paid $5.94 and saved $6.05 on it. Not a bad deal at all for some Nitro gloves. Now, of course, you guys know if you follow the channel, I like icon stuff, but I only buy it when it's on sale. Did I get some of the hex keys? No, I didn't. Really don't need any of those right now, even though it is a great deal on them. But what I did pick up was a 48-ounce dead blow hammer here. This one's going to replace my Pittsburgh one. And anytime I do something like this where I'm replacing something, my boy is 16 and I give that tool I'm replacing to him, so he has tools. So that's why I picked this up, just because I'd rather have the Icon one, because I got the Icon ball peen hammer. Now with this one, with a percentage off on this one, which was 30%, this was $32.99. I paid $23.09, saved $9.90 on it. All right, so the next thing you guys saw sitting next to me, if you were paying attention, was these Daytona 3-ton jack stands. Now these are constantly on sale, like every other sale. They have these on sale, but every time they have them on sale, there was something I wanted more in the sale and couldn't afford to pick them up. Well, this time around, I didn't pick as much up, so I got a chance to finally get these. As you guys can see right here, you see my blue U.S. General tool cart sitting over here. I'm going to take these out of the package and keep them down in the bottom of this for when I'm working on a car. I really wanted these because I got some Craftsman 3-ton ones, and I wanted these so I could put the car all the way up if I need to for tire rotations or anything like that. And I figured this was a good time now, since I didn't buy a lot with this sale. Good time to pick them up. So what was the prices on these? Normal price was $49.99. I paid $34.99 with a savings of $15 on that. Not bad deal at all. And I picked one more thing up. Let's check that out. And now the last thing I picked up was the Maddox inner tie rod tool. Basically every car that I own right now, mine, my wife's, and mine's basically going to be my boy's when he gets his license. All of them need tie rod ends, and they all need outers and inners. So I needed this tool, so what a better time for me to pick this up with the deal I got going on right now. So what we have here is, this was originally $59.99. It was on sale for $38.99, saving $21 with a 35% off. Not a bad deal. Now that's everything I picked up so far. I'm known to go back later in the week and maybe pick something else up. If that's the case, I will have a part 2 to this, but this is what I picked up on Monday, the first day of the sale for ITC members on it. Now what I want to show you guys is, I want to fold it over here. Some of you people say it's not worth to be an Inside Track member. Just what I did today, not only did I get to go the first day of the sale and get what I want, make sure I got it, I saved $51.95 total on this alone, and it's there highlighted in the yellow. The ITC membership is $30. Just in this one purchase, I made up for that. And I've had my ITC membership since October of last year, and I've already made my money back. Probably the first purchase I made my money back. But that to me is well worth it, just like today. I got first shot at buying everything I wanted because I'm an ITC member, so to me, it's well worth it, mostly if you buy tools. I'm in Harbor Freight at least once a month, so that's pretty good for me. Now, if you go in there maybe once or twice a year, it might not be worth it. But to me, having first shot at getting the sales, and like you can see, I got tools everywhere here. I love tools, so I absolutely do think it's worth the $30 to get the ITC membership. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tool haul here on what I got for the January parking lot sale 2026 at Harbor Freight. If you guys are going to Harbor Freight to pick something up, or if you already did, leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear what you're picking up. Now, to me, this sale was not the greatest sale they've had lately. Leave a comment down below. Are you excited for anything, or are you like me and was like, not the greatest sale so far to start off the year? So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.